Or welcome back again to my recipe channel. Thank you so much for the support. And so today I have a new video. I have a new recipe I want to share with you. So this is Mrenda, or you can call it Jute Mellow. And I also have spinach here with me. These are not the baby spinach, but the normal spinach that you normally buy from the market. Like I said, jute mellow or the mrenda, it's a highly nutritious green vegetables that is popular among the people of Western Kenya. And mrenda also contains vitamin A. Those are one of the benefits, which helps in improving eyesight, nourishes your skin as well. With spinach, it's nutritious as well, and it's one of the most nutritious food you can ever eat. It lowers your blood pressure, protects your eyesight, supports healthy blood, like it helps prevent anemia. It protects against diseases like diabetes and yeah, others like cancer. So, and with spinach, you can as well make the spinach smoothies using bananas. It's an appetizer, and even you can make salads.